Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to call Etsy support. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to simply go to the Etsy website, and from there we will be needing to go to the support. So simply you click on your profile picture, and from here you'd find like messages, purchases, and view, etc. But we want to simply go to the help center. So we will be needing just to go to the bottom of the page, so we can either click on go to help center from here, or you can simply find it on the footer. So let's just click on go to the help center, and then it will ask you if either you are shopping on Etsy or selling with Etsy. It really depends on the type of issue and the way of communicating with the support. So for example, let's go with selling with Etsy, and basically let's go for example, for uh, whatever how to manage your shop in case of emergency, and here you would find all these information. Now we will want to contact the support if you still have a question and you don't find your problem. So basically here you choose either you are buying or selling on Etsy, and uh, depending on the problem, and let's go to the labels for example, and here you will need just to say that you still need help, and now you will be able to contact the support from here. And as you can see, this is a chat with us. Otherwise you'd find for example for example like some problems, help with an order, for example, and here I still need help. You would find also some other ways of contacting the support. Sometimes you'd find email us, sometimes you'd find contact us like by direct messages, and basically you'd have like this bot that will be showing, and you can just give them a message. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.